Hi guys, my name is Michael and this is channel not just for the PS Vita fans. Welcome! It was quite a busy week in the PS Vita homebrew scene. There were some new releases, new updates and of course many more new interesting stuff that we are looking into in today's video. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. First demo that I want to feature is called Beginning of the End, developed by Marcus95, thanks a lot. And according to him, it is an action-adventure game inspired by The Last of Us and Resurgent. According to me, it is a promising beginning of a work-in-progress endeavor that could be fun. And as all of you know, I'm all for the fun, so keep it up. For now, you can just walk, run and aim the gun. Hopefully more features will be added in the future. Second, so we can also call it the demo, is called Very Obscure Souls, developed by Astronin. Well done. It is also just a small showcase of work in progress, and it is a 2D action Souls-like game with simple graphics, with 2 levels and 1 boss fight and an unforgiving difficulty. I haven't been able to kill the boss yet, but I'm not really good and patient at this kind of games, so you might be able to get rid of him. This game is also fun, and I'm looking forward to any new updates. If you want to try it out, you can find the link down below. Third most exciting and proper game that has been ported by Rin and NZP team, huge thanks, is called Nazi Zombies Portable Reboot. I'm sure all of you PSP zealots have been playing it already. Even I have already covered the PSP version, link is in the right corner. However, this is the native and custom tailored PS Vita port. Nazi Zombies Portable aims to recreate the Nazi Zombies experience from Call of Duty World at War into the Quake engine, and it is your classical survival experience against the endless hordes and waves of Nazi zombies. Each wave is getting progressively harder. You are getting points for killing and barricading walls that you can spend for buying guns or at a mystery box. Custom maps are available. The game can be downloaded for free from VitaDB or elsewhere. It can be enjoyed also on a Switch and PC. It supports dual analog sticks. It controls very nicely, much better than the PSP version, and also you don't need to set up anything, it is all ready to go. And as I have said already, it all runs in PS Vita native resolution 960 by 544. Even though this game's premise is pretty simple, there is some fun to have here, so if you are intrigued, go and grab it. The size is about 130 megabytes. New utility called Retroarch Bubble Builder has been published. It was developed by AntAJ, thumbs up, and as its title may imply, it is a tool that is used for loading your own images, resizing them and creating your own custom bubble and launch page for all the games that can be played via the Retroarch. You can even add images of manuals and the start buttons. I like it a lot. It is very useful, versatile and customizable utility that every Retroarch user needs to install via the link down below. I might even start to use Retroarch because of it. Great job! In the latest homebrew news, I talked about the new homebrew trophy system app called LibBartender. And in this news, I'm talking about the Mixologist and LibBartender, developed by Island Games. and it is basically trophy building app, the Mixologist, and the library to import those trophy packs into it, the LibBartender. Please do not use the Mixologist app to submit trophy packs to games you didn't create, as each game ID can only be used once, and all the developers should have the opportunity to add trophies to their own games. Links for the apps and the instructions of how to use them are down below, and I hope some devs will find it appealing enough and they will start to implement it into new as well as all releases. This is a very forward-thinking idea that needs to be highlighted, and that's what I'm doing. I'm grabbing the highlighter and highlighting the whole section. I hope it grabs your attention. Another forward-thinking idea that I hope grabs your attention is called VPS, aka Vita Project Suggestions Database, made by Glintwine. And it is a place where homebrew developers can find ideas for their next projects using a handy database of community suggestions. For the community, there is also an easy-to-use submission form to share your ideas and findings. To learn more, head to the link down below, as I'm certainly no expert in this field. What I am expert in, though, is to tell you we needed this for a while now, as it was getting a bit out of hand, out of control. Reddits, Discords and comment sections overflown with the suggestions from you guys of what should be done next. Therefore, I reckon this is a very progressive approach. You simply go to the page and check if somebody has had this idea before you, and if not, you can submit it. One place for all of your suggestions. Neat indeed. Big up to you, Vladimir. Keep the enrichments coming. Vita Homebrew browser is now back online. Everything works fine, nothing is crashing, and it seems there was some issue with the server. So I'm glad it is sorted already and we know for sure where we're at. Thanks to developer for the hard work. Following neat release is called LibAppSettings, brought to you by Graphene. It is an extremely simple app settings dialog with official UI. At the moment there isn't much you can do with it, but hopefully soon we'll have the tools to completely get rid of the external apps for settings and plugins, and we can just hook directly into the base stuff itself. Neat indeed. Keep it up. VitaCord Reboot is the upcoming work-in-progress project we are checking out. It has been adapted by a VG developer and it is a Discord client for the PS Vita. It is a pre-release and it is still in development, but you can already install it and it works, kind of. It is recommended to use alternative email for obvious reasons, and if you want to try it out, the link is down below, and I'm glad that hopefully soon we can chat via Discord even on our PS Vitas. Impressive and innovative. Thumbs up! Next up, we've got Bricker VPK that will brick your PS Vita in just one click. I guess it is meant as a joke. Therefore, when I saw such bold claims, I have to automatically test if it works on my backup Vita, of course, for obvious reasons. And my tests confirm that all the app does is indeed locks your screen and show a picture of a brick. Lol. But then you can't get rid of it unless you power off your Vita, so I wouldn't really recommend using it. But as a joke, why not? There has been also update for Better Homebrew browser, which is now on a version 0.61b. With several bugs fixed, on VitaDB it is now showing up even categories for ports, utilities, emulators, same way like it is displaying on the Vita Homebrew browser. The search bar is also working, but the CBPA's database is crashing, at least for me. So in case you haven't updated it, you should do so now to reap all the rewards. Link is down below and I'm looking forward to another neat update. Your work is much appreciated. Keep it up. Quick Menu Reborn version 2.0 by M. Ibrahim is also out, and it is a library for developers to easily add their own widgets to the Vita's quick menu, so to the menu that pops up when you hold down the PS button. I'm not a developer, but you can add there some plugins as well. I haven't tried it yet though, as frankly it is quite busy at the moment, so maybe later. Last, but certainly not least, I want to showcase this USB-C PS Vita 1000 modification that adds a USB-C port to the bottom of the device. It looks like it is not that easy to perform, but I do really admire this kind of experimental approach, and therefore I'm including it in here. Looks like your Vita is now much happier than it used to be. Nice one, and of course enjoy the fruits of your hard work. And that would be it for this week. There was quite a lot of it and I'm excited for more than one project. And what about you guys? Let me know your thoughts down below. So once again, to all of the developers, keep your enthusiasm up and thanks for keeping at it. It's much appreciated. If you are enjoying these videos guys, please like, watch, comment, share. It means a lot to me and to the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to check out our Discord server where you can find out about everything up front, and follow me on social media. There is roughly one video coming out every week. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.